Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing another unboxing video slash trying it out. So this is a foot exfoliator that I got from Amazon, and basically what it is you just put it on your foot and then it just kind of removes all your dead skin off your foot, so it makes your foot like very soft and glowy again. But this is basically what it looks like on Amazon. I have Amazon Prime, so if you have Amazon, you can get it, I guess, faster. But anyway, it was around $13. And so yeah, this is just like little background information, but we will get right into the unboxing video right now. So this is the box that I got. It's the Dr. Pedicure Foot Exfoliating Mask. And yeah, so this is the box that it came in. And then of course there's like directions on the back of what you're supposed to do, but I'll explain that. So let's open up this box and see what is inside. Obviously I'm filming with my phone, so like only one hand is handy, but inside was this like silver container. I guess that's just what it's going to be in. So on the directions it basically said to take a wet towel with some soap and like wash your foot off to make sure it's clean. If you guys have seen the other video, I'll like put a little clip in. I tried something else and it did not work, so I'm really hoping this would work. So I just put some soap in water and then I cleaned my foot, and then now you're gonna put these little booties on. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the package. They're like little booties basically, and then you just put on your feet, and then these are like little tape just to hold it down to make sure that it doesn't go away. So this is what it looks like when you actually have the booties on, and you have to leave them on your feet for an hour. So I was just watching TV and I was just sitting there for an hour, and then after your hour is done, then you're just gonna take them off and you're just gonna wash your feet off. Alright, so nothing was happening for me for 5 days, and then all of a sudden it began the peeling of my feet. So these are just little clips of actually my feet starting to really peel, and I was completely shocked this actually worked. Like, my feet were peeling like crazy. As you can tell, that's a lot of skin. Like, this is me after swimming. Like, all this dead skin was coming off my feet, and I was so happy, you have no idea. And look, my foot is so soft now. It's crazy. So I definitely recommend you guys give this a try, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing a what I got for my 20th birthday video.